Hey YouTube, today we're actually doing a repair on a radiator. Um, I actually sandblasted it and got it pretty clean. I'm going to do a little bit more cleanup and everything, and we're going to try to put some of this JB Well Marine on there because it's supposed to be waterproof and all that kind of good stuff. And we haven't never tried it before, and it is made in USA. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get this cleaned up, and then we're going to go through the process of putting it on there, and then we're going to let it set and see how it works. Now personally, I'm one of those people that uses acetone to make sure everything's clean and everything, because I want a good bond and everything. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. We'll put a little acetone on it and make sure it's clean. You know, and then we stuff dries super quick. Anyway, we'll get it cleaned up real good, and then we're going to put the JB weld on it. We just want to make sure it's good, clean. We don't want no oil or anything like that on there. No excuses. But anyway, let me get it mixed up and then we'll go from there. Hey, okay, we got it on there real good. Covered the area, and we're gonna let it sit for, I guess probably 24 hours, and then we're gonna put it in the tractor and we'll see if it leaks. You know, I'll let you know. Okay, YouTube. It's the next day, and we've let this set, and feels like it's pretty good. So we're just gonna put a little paint on it and put it in and let it, and put the tractor back together and see how it does. Okay, we got a little paint on it. We're gonna bring it over here and put it in this. And I'm saying that I need to do a little cleanup on this. Okay, so we're gonna try this homemade selfie stick. See if it'll we're gonna attempt this radiator back in. So what we're gonna do, it's kind of an important step, putting this thing back on. You gotta do all this at one time. Anyway, we put our hoses on. I always try to get when I do this, try to get that top hose on there first. That way, pretty much it's set before you ever put bolts in. Tighter, trying to put it back where it goes. This was a new hose. Back there, those were. But I put a clutch in this tractor, and I don't know, I guess the radiator worked itself loose while it was sitting around waiting on the clutch. So what we had to do, we had to fix it. pretty much that's this is the part I'm drilling. Really don't catch that thing there yet because I'm still afraid it's not set. But it's supposed to be. According to the guarantee, it's supposed to be fully set. Put much faith in what somebody says. If they say 24, I'm going to leave it 48 just in case. See anything getting loose down there. Let this move there. Okay, nothing moved. Thank you, Lord. Put this thing back on there. And put some water in it and see how she does. I would have soldered it, but it's right there at them veins, and I only fingers to do that, and I didn't want to take the whole bottom off of it. Okay, well, we just got to fill it up with water, and then we'll see where we're at from there. This battery's low, so I'm going to save battery by turning it off while I fill it up with water. Well, so far no leaks. So we're going to go ahead and put the tractor back together